Hey, what's up, guys? Today, Microsoft allowed streaming from your Xbox instantly. Starting from today, Microsoft announced that you can play games instantly. You just need to have a Game Pass Ultimate subscription. Then you can go to your Game Pass section on the Xbox and start the game right away without the needing of installing it from the Xbox Store or the internet. Now it's simple enough. We head to My Games and Apps. From there, we go down to the Xbox Game Pass section. Now, as you can see, there is a little icon down on the right. It's like a cloud. In any game that have that simple, you can play instantly without installing it. We will test this game called Control. Now we just hit play. We wait a little and you see it's now loaded instantly without installing it, without installing it from a DVD, without installing it from the internet. You can play right away. The only thing you need is a working Game Pass Ultimate subscription. Now on that subject, I may in the near future make a giveaway for 6 months of Game Pass Ultimate subscription. There will be some conditions to enter this giveaway. It'll be all revealed in a video soon. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like, and comment if you have any problems.
Warning. This is gonna be weirder than usual. Can't be helped. You called me. So here I am. I know I shut you out sometimes. I'm always glad to hear from you. It's just that I get my hopes up. So many times it's led to nothing.